Attention business owners and entrepreneurs. Do you want to take your online presence to the next level? Are you tired of struggling to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website? Look no further. We have got a solution for you today. In today's digital world, having a professional website is crucial for success. It's often the first impression potential customers have of your business. Unfortunately, many business owners, just like you, encounter common problems when it comes to creating and building professional websites. Problem 1. Outdated and unappealing designs. Do you have an outdated website that fails to captivate and engage your audience? Keeping up with the latest design trends can be challenging and time-consuming, leaving your website looking stagnant and unappealing. Problem 2. Complicated and non-intuitive DIY builders. Do you find yourself wasting countless hours navigating through complicated do-it-yourself website builders? These platforms often require technical skills and professional expertise, making it difficult for business owners to create the website they envision. Problem 3. Non-responsive and incompatible websites. Is your website failing to adapt to different screen size, causing a poor user experience for your mobile visitors? With the increasing number of people browsing the internet on their phones and tablets, having a mobile-friendly website is imperative. Problem 4. High costs and lengthy development process. Have you considered hiring a professional web developer, but were deterred by their exorbitant costs and the lengthy development process? Custom-built websites can drain your budget and time, leaving you with limited resources to focus on other aspects of your business. But fear not, we have the solution to all your website building problems. Introducing AI PixelSite, most powerful and easy-to-use website builder that creates beautiful websites in any niche using just a single keyword or using HTML zip imports in just 60 seconds flat. It comes with done-for-you website templates. With AI PixelSite, powered by advanced artificial intelligence technology, it's the ultimate solution for creating stunning, mobile-responsive websites in a fraction of the time and cost. It comes with some amazing features that blow up your mind. Advanced drag-and-drop powerful website builder. Create professional websites from a single keyword or use HTML import in less than 60 seconds. Create and sell professional websites for top dollars in minutes. Pre-built templates which you can easily upload from the admin era. Fully optimized for top Google ranking. Undo Manager to undo and redo any action in Site Builder. Menu Editor. Menus across all the site can easily edit in one click. Over 40 elements, flexible element system. Live editing features, easily, visually, and in real time edit most of elements. You can fully customize or add new themes via the Appearance Editor. Fully mobile responsive. Work on desktop, mobile, tablet, professional. Publish and export whole project in just one click. Import websites and website templates. Export websites and website templates. Easily manage your site appearance, colors, logo, menus, etc. SEO editor. SEO tags for all pages can be modified in just one click. Access inbuilt text editor to edit text or paragraph. Create multiple pages, landing page, login, or own custom page. Add social media buttons, lifetime hosting, free lifetime SSL, website revision and history, deep analytics, site traffic real-time chart, all your site's GDPR compliant, commercial license included. You are just 3 steps away from creating professional website. Step 1, choose pre-built high-converting website templates. Step 2, customize them as per your need. Step 3, publish and profit. Join the countless businesses already benefiting from AI PixelSite. Don't let outdated designs, complicated builders, and high costs hold you back. Revolutionize your website today and unlock your online potential with AI PixelSite. Take my word, if you're tired of creating website and want to take your business into next level, AI PixelSite is the happy ending for your constant search. Now I'm sure all of these benefits would have left you amazed, but hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money, time, and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period gets over, AI PixelSite will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab AI PixelSite today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.